Okay, what's going on, my virtual home? How's it going? How's it going? Guys, I am so excited. As you guys may know, I have started uploading low content books on Amazon KDP. And it's actually been a great journey, guys. I know I've been making a lot of videos about the Amazon KDP, but I just don't want you guys to miss this. I don't want you to miss it. I want to get the information out so that I can be transparent about, what's going on, and also so that maybe I can actually help somebody get started, guys. We got a lot of things in the works. Pretty soon, we're going to be coming up with our own Amazon KDP course. So we are thinking about some course ideas so that we can kind of have you guys, group together so that we have you guys all in one place where we can actually help you get started with Amazon KDP. Now, when we do start the course, it's going to be geared towards those that are just now getting started, meaning that they have never ever published a book on Amazon KDP, or they're getting started and just have never got any sales. So it's just a kind of like a jump start. Okay, anyway, that's something that's coming soon. But for right now, I am making this video to let you guys know that last night I got another sale on Amazon KDP. And guys, my journey may not be moving as fast as the next one, but I'm okay with that. Okay, as you guys know, I just did a video about my first 6 to 9 months income earnings with Amazon KDP. And as you guys know, we made like a whopping at that time, I think we had made a whopping $3 and some change. Okay, but since then, this is December of 2023. We published our first book in March of 2023. This is December, guys. I got a sale last night, and well, I got a sale this morning and yesterday. So that's like a sale a day. I'm so excited. I am. The book that is selling so far, it is the only one of our, actually right now, as of today, two new books were uploaded to Amazon today. So as of today, we have 7 books available for purchase on Amazon. We do have, I think we have a productivity planner. We do have some composition books. We have some regular journals and a prayer journal so far. Now, I have so many books in the Amazon KDP back office or bookshelf that are pending. So, it's very likely that some more books will upload today and throughout the week. And I'm just pushing them out, pushing them out, pushing them out. We'll do another video about like my uploading schedule with Amazon KDP, if there's such a thing, but I'll try to, make it as comprehensive as possible. But the book that is selling right now is my You Rock journal, guys. Yes, you rock, you do, guys. Okay, so this is my You Rock journal. This is my very, 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 very first product on Amazon. And I've been looking at videos, guys. I'm watching the videos just like you are. I am binge watching Amazon KDP videos, guys. We are here, okay? So, yeah, so I'm watching the videos like you guys, and a lot of times what I'm seeing is that people's first book doesn't sell. And I saw one lady, she had to upload like 30 books in order to get her first sale. So I am just grateful that my very first journal has been selling, guys, and it didn't take a whole year. Okay, so we're able to see that this thing works, and now we're able to scale this business, and I am so excited, guys. So look at the rocks, they're so cute, guys. You can order this on my author page, or you can just look up You Rock Journal on Amazon. It should come straight up. That's another thing, guys. We are on the very first page of Amazon for You Rock journals and things like that. So, man, I'm so excited about it. This journey is, like I said, we're going places, okay? Now, I've been writing in my UROC journal, guys. I'm so excited. I've been writing myself. Check this out. I've been beating people in dominoes, guys. You see, like right here, uh, I'm the R, and then when I'm playing somebody with the J, and you know what I'm saying, we whoop them, okay? We whoop them in dominoes, guys. And you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, they came back and won this second game. But then, you know, we had to come back and show them, you know, who's the winner. So I'm excited that even whether I'm working or I'm playing, I can use my own journal that I created. Guys, this is a blank journal. So it is a blank journal, guys. I am encouraging you to write more. Whether you have a vision, write it down, guys. Whether you're in school, guys, write it down, guys. Whether you're in business and you need to take notes, guys, write it down. Guys, I have been in love with journals. Only people that are that really close to me know how much I love journals, guys. I can literally go in the store and buy 5 journals at one time. That's the type of journal lover that I am. I'm like, I want this one and this one and this one and this one. But now I can create journals that I love. And actually, I am the product producer. I'm the creator now. So, guys, you know, sometimes we have to put ourselves in a position where we are, you know, it's okay to be a consumer. But guys, we are now creators as well, and I am so proud of myself. And you know, it's simple, guys. If you can watch my videos, you're gonna find out that creating journals on Amazon can be really simple. For instance, the Amazon KDP program, guys, is actually free to join. It doesn't cost anything to get started. And then the software that I'm using to actually create, design, and list these journals is Bookable. Okay, I'm going to put the link to Bookable in the comments, guys, for you guys to get started. You can actually do a 3-day free trial, and I'm telling you, it takes less than 10 minutes to list a journal on Amazon. I do have a video about how to upload a journal from Bookable to Amazon KDP where I walk you through the whole process, guys. I'm telling you, I show you exactly how to create the journal and how to list the journal and how to upload the journal on Amazon. So guys, I am not leaving you guys out of nothing, okay? But the UROC journal, guys, is something I'm very proud of. Like I said, right now, as of today, we do have 7 journals on Amazon. And man, we want to start selling all of them. Okay, so if you do like this UROC journal, guys, go ahead and order you a copy. You can actually go order 4. I think the most that you can order at one time maybe 4. So guys, order this. It's a good time of year to gift a journal. You know, everybody around you need a journal, guys. We need to be writing. Look, we're going through inflation, we're going through so much, guys. We need to be writing our processes down, writing our thoughts down, just writing it down, guys. And you have plenty of space in this journal to do so. We made this journal um, 100 pages, guys. So you have 100 pages of thoughts, creativity, and planning, and all of that you can put on this journal. And every time you write in it, you have a reminder that you rock, because you rock. Okay, I mean, you have overcome so much. You have become the greatest person that you can be. Nobody is perfect, but you're the best that you can be, just like I am. I'm the best that I can be. You know what I'm saying? I'm not perfect. You know, I'm not everybody's favorite, and I'm okay with that. But I love me. I love me some me. Okay? And guys, I want to one day become your very favorite, one of your favorite authors. And we are growing. Like I said, right now we are doing low content books, just trying to get the design process down, kind of get the you know, just the particulars down. So we're working with the low content books, but we are going to be moving into medium and high content books, guys. I have so many ideas for written materials that I want to produce for you guys. So I really do appreciate you guys' encouragement. I really do appreciate you guys orders. I really do appreciate you guys' just support throughout this whole journey, guys. Man, somebody wished me super success, and I'm so excited. I take it. I claim that super success. And for right now, I just want to let you know we got two more sales. Um, last night and this morning, and I just had to do a video. Now, will I do a video every time we get sales? Only you know. Only you know. Okay. So, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Only you know. Okay. So, uh, for right now, the way we're excited, we might do a video every time a sale come through. So, guys, give us a reason. Give us a reason to smile today. Give us a reason to increase our passive income, and we're gonna give you a reason to do the same. Y'all make sure y'all watch our videos. Y'all grow with us here on My Virtual Home. We're gonna be big, 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 and I'm not gonna put a number on it because only God knows. With that being said, guys, we really do appreciate your viewership. If you like this video, guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Show us your support. Like the video. It does help out with the algorithm. Guys, if you want to be a part of our family, because we love our My Virtual Home family, you guys can actually subscribe to the channel. It literally it can be done real quick. Just hit subscribe. Okay. That also puts you in the loop of all the wonderful things that we're going to be talking about, because as you know, we have a very diverse channel. We do try to create playlists so that you can actually watch what you're interested in, because we talk about a lot of stuff here on My Virtual Home. Now, if you want to be the very first to get notified when we drop new content, okay, then all you have to do is hit a bell notification above. There should be a bell somewhere on the screen, and if you hit it, as soon as we drop content, you're going to get a notification. With that being said, guys, I am so excited to grow with you. I'm so excited to earn with you. I'm so excited to learn with you, and I'm going to see you guys on the next episode.